Looking for beauty deals at great prices? Let's go at Costco and find the deals. Hi, my name is Sheezarashidusa. I'm from California, USA. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Let's talk about our beauty deals this week. The first one I just want to introduce is Olay Pro Complex Hydrating Moisturizer. It has a $11 off, and I just want to show you. It is 1.7 ounce, and this is a great deal if you would like because it's an advanced anti-wrinkle moisturizer, younger looking skin like. I just want to show you. Is this, if you are looking for this is the great deal with antioxidants, and these are two of them actually.